Example 6 says that we have an order for 150 milliliters per hour, and we need to know how many milliliters per minute rounded to the nearest tenth of a milliliter. Okay, so they gave us the flow rate, milliliter per hour, but now we need to change it to milliliter per minute. Okay, so our desired answer is milliliter per minute, and we have to start with milliliters since that's at the top of our fraction here. So 150 milliliters per hour, but that's all they gave us, right? There's nothing else up there. But I have milliliters on top, but I got to get minutes in the bottom instead of hours. So we need to throw in that conversion. That 60 minutes is 1 hour business, but hours is in the bottom, so it means we need hours at the top of this next fraction. So 1 hour is over 60 minutes, as opposed to the flip of that. We don't want to put 60 minutes on top because then our units won't cancel. Okay, so make sure the hour goes on top because it was on bottom over here for this fraction. Now, check those units. Hours cancel, milliliter on top, minute on bottom, right? So we can multiply and divide, and we should wind up with 2.5 milliliters per minute. Okay, now example 7 is going to feel really similar, except it's not. They gave the order to us in milliliter per minute, and they want to know what is your milliliter per hour. So this is working backwards, right? I mean, up here they gave us milliliter per hour, wanted a milliliter per minute. Now they give us milliliter per minute, but they want to know milliliter per hour. So be careful and read every little piece of this, okay? It's going to get a little tricky. All right, desired answer is milliliter per hour. That means we need milliliters on top of this first fraction. And they did tell us that 4 milliliters happens every 1 minute. But we don't want minute in the bottom, we want hour. So we are going to get to use that conversion again. That 1 hour is 60 minutes. But be careful how you stack it in there. If we have minutes in the bottom, then we need minutes in the top of this next fraction. So we're going to put the 60 minutes over 1 hour now. So that our minutes cancel, we have milliliter on top and hour on bottom. It's the exact opposite of that conversion we did up there. Okay, so really watch the units of this previous fraction here. All right, so multiply and divide, and we get 240 milliliters per hour.